Do you want to get fit, start a business, or finish your long 30-task to-do list? But you just can't find the time, energy, or motivation? So today, I want to share with you my top 6 ways to be on fire and feel more motivated. And I'll also give you a few specific ideas on how to follow each way. It doesn't take a lot. It just takes a start and consistent effort. Let me walk you through it. My number 1 way is make it smaller. Sometimes the hardest part is just starting, not finishing, not even doing a lot, and not doing all of it. Just starting. Because when something feels too big, your brain shuts down. Research by Piers Steel, 2007, published in the Psychological Bulletin, found that people procrastinate more when tasks feel far away or unpleasant. So the solution is simple. Make it smaller. Instead of saying, I need to work out today, say, I'm just going to put on my gym clothes on. Instead of, I need to clean everything, say, I'll clean for 5 minutes. Your brain doesn't need motivation for something small. It just needs a starting point. Here are a few examples on how you can follow this. You can break tasks into 1-minute actions. So start with just opening the thing you avoid. Tell yourself you only have to begin, not finish. Number 2, build self-belief. One of the biggest reasons people don't stay motivated is because they don't believe they can actually do it. This is called self-efficacy. Studied by Albert Bandura, 1982, published in the American Psychologist. It means your belief in your ability to succeed at something, not your talent and not your potential, just your belief. And what Bandura found is that motivation doesn't come before action, it actually comes after. When you succeed at small things, your brain starts updating the belief that you're capable. Even tiny wins build that, I can do this feeling. Here are a few examples on how you can follow this. Track every small win that you complete. Start with tasks you know you can finish, and stack easy wins before harder ones. Number 3, increase the value. Sometimes you don't lack motivation, you just don't feel connected to the reason. Research by Deci Ryan, 2000, published in the American Psychologist, found that people are more motivated when they feel their goals are personally meaningful and self-chosen. So if something feels boring or pointless, your brain won't push you toward it. But if it feels important to you, everything changes. So ask yourself, why do I actually want this? Not what other people want. What do you want? I want to feel confident in my body. I want freedom in my life. I want to finish what I start. When the meaning becomes personal, motivation increases naturally. And here are some examples to follow this. Write your why somewhere visible. Link tasks to emotional outcomes and remind yourself what changes if you don't act. Number 4, reduce the distance. One big reason we struggle to find motivation is because goals feel too far away. Like, I'll get fit this year, or I'll fix my life someday. But your brain doesn't respond to someday. Research by Piers Steel and Cornelius Koenig, 2006, published in the Academy of Management Review, introduced temporal motivation theory, showing that motivation increases when rewards feel more immediate. Instead of, I'll do it later today, ask, what can I do in the next 10 minutes? Instead of a long-term plan, focus on the next step only. Because motivation doesn't live in the future. It lives in the present moment. And here are a few examples you can follow this. Set 10-minute timers. Only plan the next action. And ask, what's the next smallest step? Number 5, build habits. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. That's the difference. A habit is something you do without thinking. Research by Philippa Lally and colleagues, 2010, published in the European Journal of Social Psychology, found that habits form through repeated behavior in consistent environments over time. So instead of asking, do I feel like doing this? You just do it. Same time, same place, same action. For example, go to the gym at the same time every day. Write at the same time every morning. Walk at the same time every evening. At first, it takes effort, but over time, it becomes automatic. And that's when motivation is no longer needed. Here are some examples to follow this. Attach habits to existing routines. Set fixed times instead of flexible ones. And make it too automatic to debate. And finally, my number 6 way is use small wins. Your brain loves progress, even tiny progress. Every time you complete something, your brain rewards you. That reward makes you want to do it again. And like we've mentioned before, research by Albert Bandura found that small successes build self-efficacy, which increases motivation and makes future action easier. So, like I've said, success builds belief, belief builds action, action builds motivation, and then it becomes a loop. So track your wins, write them down, tick them off. Even small things like cleaning your room, finishing one task, going for a walk, those all matter. There you have it, my top 6 ways to be more motivated. Let's quickly go over it in order. Number 1, make it smaller. Number 2, build self-belief. Number 3, increase the value. Number 4, reduce the distance. Number 5, build habits. And number 6, use small wins. That's how you stay on fire. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, comment and subscribe, and share it with a friend that needs a little boost. And if you've got any topic ideas you want me to cover, drop them in the comments. I actually read them. And if you're interested in relaxing ASMR, yoga, and massage videos, check out our Patreon. It will also be in the description below. It's filled with thousands of exclusive videos I think you would like. So, until next time, my friends, and as always, stay happy, healthy, and motivated. Bye!
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psychologists, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psychologists. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.